Hi guys, Retro Django here. Welcome back to my channel. Now, this morning I was at my friend's house because I wanted to pick up a box of Commodore 64 games, and I have about 10,000 discs at his house, and I just took a couple of boxes home to play some new games on my Commodore 64. I love to explore these old discs and finding out all the awesome games on the Commodore 64. It's amazing listening to the crack intros, and I just love it. But now I got these discs, and I should I don't have to go to work today. I have the day off, and it's just incredible. And I turned on my Commodore 64, the disk drive and all that. But look at these old discs, guys. If you can see, 5 and a quarter inch, or I don't know what's it called in English. You know, this is the disc that we use on Commodore 64 and all that. Not on Amiga, but I've just found out that these discs are from 1995, and over, I don't know how many discs, but many discs. But all of these old discs are for the Amiga. Most of the discs contain Amiga games, and they say only works with AGA Amiga 1200. This is just crazy. So many Amiga games, AGA games, and as you can see, here's CD32 games, and I have some of them that says installed on hard disk, and look at this here. This is Street Fighter 2, I presume AGA version, I don't know. I mean, Power Drive, Road, Pinball Dreams, Photo Genesis, AGA game, Mr. Blobby, Monsters, Little Devil 2, Fury of the Turtles, Frame Machine. It's just, oh my god, Wings, Global Effect, CD32, Humans, AGA CD32, Impossible, Formula GP, Dark Seed. I mean, I don't have this drive. Oh, Capital. I don't have this drive for my Amiga, but Brutal Banshee. Whoa, that's nice. Battle Duel. Oh, look at this over here. Oh, one of the greatest games. We got Alien Breed, Alien Breed 3D, Alien Breed Tower Assault AGA, Alien Aladdin, Alien Breed 3. I mean, this is not something you see every day. Well, I have nothing to use this for. I don't have that drive. I mean, this is just, I had to share this with you guys. And I have boxes and boxes with these old discs for the Amigas. In the beginning, I was thinking about maybe using them to just format them and copy Commodore 64 games over them, but nah, I don't think so. I mean, there must be a collector out there that would love to have his hands on these old discs with all these awesome Amiga games on. So I don't know, these will come out on sale. I don't know how. Visit my Facebook channel, Commodore 64-Amiga Retro Django. You also have the link on the description below, and I don't know, make me an offer, because I don't know what they're worth, but oh, UFO, Enemy Unknown, was that made for the Amiga? AGA, hard disk only. Yes, Ultimate Body Blows CD32. WOF, I don't know what that is. Oh, Wing Commander, Dangerous Streets, AGA. Why is there two different games here? I don't know. Wings. Oh man, we got so many games. Road, Brian, Pinball. Okay, let's just set this one out. It just said disc 3. I will put it in here so it's in order. But yeah, we got a lot of awesome games, guys. Oh yeah. Okay, I will just upload this right away and say thank you for watching, guys. Isn't this just incredible? I mean, what the hell? I really don't hope that I have more of these, because I use these on my Commodore 64. So yeah, but a bunch of Amiga discs, guys. I hope you will subscribe to my channel if you don't already have. So until next time, play some Amiga, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.